Okay, so I want to show you how to get to the mini research guide that I set up for you. So we're on the library homepage. We go to research guides, and then yours is named editorial articles comparing ancient Rome to the United States. So if you guys scroll down, these two things with the apples are things that I specifically came up with to help you with this particular assignment. So when we combine words in a database, if we are careful about which keywords we put in, we get better results, right? So I'm going to use Rome, the United States, and democracy and see what I get, right? So I could try different combinations of these. I'm going to try Nexis Uni first. This is probably the biggest news source that we have. It will search international news too. So I'm going to do, yeah, I've already searched here, as you can see. Instead of America, I think I'm going to put United States because I just want to try that one. Okay, so it'll search for all three of those terms together. And it found over 10,000 news articles, right? So I might want to narrow that down just a little bit. You guys can narrow on the left or filter your results. So I can type that I would rather only go back to, 2019 maybe. Click OK, that'll narrow it down. If you are supposed to find articles just from the United States, then you can also narrow it down by location of where the source came from. So I could do from North America. If you want to leave it global, you could leave it global. That's fine too. And then let's see what we find. So see how it's highlighting each of the search terms that it found for me. And then I'm just going to start looking at the headlines, right? From Julius Caesar to Croesus to Trump and Musk. That one sounds pretty promising. So if I click on that, all right, there's the article. Okay. And then you also can download this article right here or save it to OneDrive. Or if you want to come back to it later to see, you could grab this link right here. It's the permalink, right? Okay. And then you also can grab the citation here if you need to cite your source. And there's different formats right there. Once you have that, let's go back and just see what I get if I do put in America instead. We'll just see if my results are different in terms of opinion. Oh, okay. So the 7 oldest democracies in the world. Is democracy threatened? Oh, come on, just ask Rome. So that one worked pretty well. The word America worked a little bit better, right? America's democracy from Eisenhower to Biden. And then it's telling you right here where this was published. So you can, narrow it down that way too, to whatever source you would like. Okay. So that's how Nexis Uni works.